is the amount that you gave to the project? So Mindanao Railway Project, under a program siya. So magkano po?
Your Honor, Mr. President, the DOTR is requesting 5.4 billion, Your Honor. So 5.4 billion po yung Mindanao Railway Project.
Okay. And that is found, if we now examine the committee report, that's in the programmed.
Zero po siya lahat. It's not in the NEP, it's not in the GAB. So it's zero, Your Honor, Mr. President.
So
But they requested.
nasa budget request nyo. Okay, wala sa NEP. Okay.
Apo.
So kaya nga, kunyari, okay. So that we will understand. Therefore, what does that mean, Secretary? That if an administration gives it a zero budget, is the project abandoned? Not necessarily.
It's on hold, Your Honor, Mr. President.
On hold, okay.
Because it's the
Okay.
NEDA approved project, so
But definitely we have incurred expenses pursuant to that project. So pwede nating yung mga ganyan, yung mga projects on hold, siguro si Senator Joel Villanueva will have to also track the expenses for projects on hold. Idagdag yun sa commitment fees. Sige, can we have an example? Example na lang natin. Yung Mindanao Railway Project, how much have we spent for it so far? Sige, kahit yung Tagum to Digos lang, yung portion na yun. Example lang para malaman ng ating mga kababayan.
while they are looking for the total figures, Your Honor, yung pong Mindanao Railway System Project, yung pong Phase 1, yung pong Tagum to Digos, they have already spent some funds already for the right-of-way acquisition,
Yes,
acquisition of land.
Yeah.
They have downloaded some funds to the LGUs, no? For the land acquisition, right? Also yung relocation, among others, no? So ang problema ho ngayon, because of sa 2024,
Yes,
hindi na ho nilagyan, 3 na lang po yung pong personnel in Mindanao Railway, yung monitoring will be a challenge.
Yes. That's why in-examplean po natin now how wasteful we are with our money. But this is yung hindi naman ito inumpisahan sa time ni Secretary, but pinapakita lang po natin yung sistema natin sa gobyerno kasi pera naman ng taong bayan yan eh. So ilan po 'yon? Magkano po 'yon? Sample lang, example. Applyan natin.
Your Honor, according to DOTR, they have spent about 5.5 billion, no, downloaded to LGUs for land acquisition for
Yes.
the right of way of Tag. Ito yung first phase pa lang.
Yes, yes.
Tagum to Digos yun.
Tama naman yun. Tama naman. Mabuti nga you're being very open and transparent about it. Siyempre, 5.5 billion pesos na for a project na tawagin na lang natin, let's use your technical terminology, on hold. May we know how yes.
Check something.
Yes. Wala kang mic, sir.
Yes, if you say on hold, ibig sabihin yung project is on hold, depende sa availability ng funds. Am I correct? The project will be put on hold until the availability of funds. Am I correct?
That's correct, Mr. President, that according to the OTR, additional preparatory works, no, prior to the loan agreement, if ever it pushes through, are not being done because of the lack of funding. In this case, for 2025, Your Honor, Mr. President, yung kanila pong 5.4 billion, yung sa NEP po is zero. So talagang on hold po ito.
So paano yun kung wala nang mga funds na darating? So anong Ano magiging ano nung structure na yun? Magiging white elephant? Kung wala na halimbawa ng pondo dumating, what will happen to the structure that has been started?
Your Honor, Mr. President, that is why one of the reasons that the DOTR is appealing for funds so that the project management office, for example, of the Mindanao Railway System, would continue. Kasi po sa ngayon, if I may give you the figures, yung pong 2021 right of way ang na-release po for Mindanao Railway is 325.7 million. For anong 2020, 545.6 million that will be used to acquire land that will be used for the right of way of the Mindanao Railway. Ito po yung Tagum to Digos.
So may I know what projects are still on hold,
Yan.
if I may? How many projects are still on hold?
Hold. Yan.
With the indulgence of the minority leader.
That was my next question.
Your Honor, mostly the railway projects. No? Ito pong Mindanao Railway System. And we can already also consider South Long Haul. Although may funding siya ng konti noong 2024, kung hindi rin po mapopondo to, it will be on hold also. Ito yung South Long Haul, ito po yung Bicol line, no? From Metro Manila going to
So how many
Bicol.
projects all in all, Mr. Sponsor?
total na.
Priority na priority.
Apat po, Your Honor, Mr. President.